Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Welcome, my name is Aiden. I'm so happy that you're here. I have my lucky bag for 2024, 2023. I'm really not sure how these go because I ordered it in 2023, but I got it in 2024. So let me know if you know which year I should be putting. But I did order the XL this year. This is my third time getting the Beautylish box, and we'll see. I haven't even opened it. I just barely got it today. It was supposed to be here yesterday, and I was going to put it up yesterday, but it had not come yet. So before I start, don't forget to like. If you enjoyed this, let me know if you got the Lucky Bag or the Lucky Bag XL, what you got, what you thought of what I got in mine, and also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Okay, has been unsealed. Oh, that is so pretty. I love. Oh, it's not sealed at all. Sorry, I feel like I'm losing my voice a little bit today. I don't know what's going on with that. So, very carefully, the dragons on this year's Lucky Bag symbolize good luck and fortune, along with power and change. We hope these surprises offer you moments of self-love that help you tap into your power in 2024. Lucky Bag 2024. There we go. It tells me my question has been answered. I wasn't sure if that appeared or not. All right, so this does not seem that big. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. We have paper here. Everything's in a giant thing. I'm going to try not to look. I think that's everything. Yes. Okay, so we'll put the paper over there. Trying not to look. So the Lucky Bag XL is $150 plus shipping. It was ridiculously priced. But this is the first time I've ever had a chance to order it. I did not set my alarm to get up and order it just because I knew I had Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale and Lush Boxing Day that I wanted to do. And I thought, you know what, if I don't have it, low priority, we'll see. These were still available at like 1 in the afternoon, which I was very shocked at. I was expecting these to sell out right away like they have in the past. So I don't think these are as popular. Let me know what you think, if they're as popular or not. I'm gonna leave this here so that I can't really see. Let's see, we'll grab the tube first. All right, so first up, I have R&Co Crystal Halo Balancing Scalp Scrub and Shampoo. So this sounds nice. I actually was just thinking this morning that I wish I had a scalp scrub in my shower, but I didn't have one handy. Let's see. There we go. So that's the first item. This is supposed to have a $300 value. The regular box is supposed to be $75 with a $150 value. So we'll see what happens if this is a lucky bag or not. Okay, we have some Kitsch scrunchies. These are the ones that have the long bow on them. If I'm honest, this isn't really my style. I like the colors, but with my hair, I mean, I could, I guess, put one around my bun, but most of the time I wear my hair in a braid down my back, or because my hair is like down to my calves now. So I don't know if I'll use those, but that's the second item. I don't have cuts, but I also had like coffee in the way and I didn't want to get coffee on anything. Okay, next up we have Color Chameleon. That's what it says on the back. This is from Charlotte Tilbury Eye Enhancing Beauty Secrets Kit. We have Pillow Talk and Matte Shade. They're eyeshadow pencils. I probably won't use these just because I know myself, so I'll probably pass these along. They look really pretty. Those are the shades. And I do like Charlotte Tilbury. I just don't know how much use, oh, that is really pretty, I would get from this. Like, it would have worked for me today, but I don't know. Let me know. I miss having my subscription addiction where they would have like the trading, and I know like people trade on Reddit and stuff, but I'm not on Reddit, so there's that. So we have that. That's the next item in here. Okay, so far the shampoo scalp scrub is the thing I'm most excited about so far, which is kind of a bummer. We have Pure Culture Serum does not say anything else on it. So it's just a little vial. It's half an ounce. It's not very big. Like I'm used to serums being at least a full ounce. I don't know. Okay, we have something from Viseart. This is, or Viseart, I don't know. I keep hearing people say it different ways. So we have Fleurette Core, and it's supposed to be a pigment palette. It doesn't really say. It's pretty, it's purple. I like the shade of it. And I've had some of the other small ones that they've had in the past. Well, that's coming off. I kind of have a love-hate relationship with this company. I don't always love what they have, but that's what the shades look like. I'll try to swatch them here at the end. I want to get through everything, and then I realized I don't have makeup wipes with me, so I think I'll keep that probably and swatch it. We always get something from Good Molecules. That was their house brand, but now they sell it at Ulta, so I guess it's available other places. So this is a hyaluronic acid serum, which I'm kind of using one on and off. I have the Glow recipe one that I enjoy. So this is just, it helps bring moisture. Come on, focus. I don't know why it's not focusing, but that's how my day is going today. All right, what else? All right, we have something from Wayne Goss. This is a lipstick in Antique Rose. Get out my handy butter knife to open it without ripping the package. Oh, it's a lip gloss. Okay. I have another lip gloss from Wayne Goss, and I'm not going to swatch this because then it's going to put contaminants in. I think that's a pretty shade. I'm not sure what I think about the Wayne Goss formula. I don't wear a ton of gloss over the years, but I feel like I have something heavy. That's a palette, and then I have this guy right here. It was like tied very nicely. I wonder if these are fancy brushes. I mean, they feel like fancy brushes. They're folded so fancy. Okay. Ooh, okay. This must be why it's the XL bag. These are Sonia G brushes. I have like a smudger from her that I got last year, and that's it. So we have this one. This is the Jumbo Worker. I don't know, concealer maybe? Highlighter. I don't do a lot of crazy stuff with my makeup. This is the Detail. They're very pretty. We have the Builder. Okay, so that looks like what I normally kind of use a lot. Or something like this one as well. This is another Worker, but it's a smaller one. And then finally, I know these brushes are really expensive, so I'll have to look up how much they are. We have this guy, which is the Blender. So very nice. That's 5 Sonia G brushes that were folded all pretty, like, you can definitely see that the Japanese influence in there. All right, we will move this out. Oh. So I have a card here. It says anti-aging serum. So that must be this guy. It doesn't even really tell me what the brand is. That's crazy. So Pure Culture, it does finally say, if you read all the instructions, this says kangaroo paw flower, caprol tetrapeptide 3, and hyaluronic acid. I will let you read those ingredients. All right, the last thing I have in here is from Natasha Denona. This is the Xenon palette. I don't have this one. Is this the black and gray one? That's probably one of the least colorful palettes. Yeah. Okay. Glad to have another Natasha Denona. I really love Natasha Denona's formula and her eyeshadows, but I don't do a lot of smoky eyes, and this is a very smoky palette, although this shade looks very pretty. So that's what the palette looks like. It does have like these stars on the palette, which is really cool. You can see, so that's nice, a nice touch. And yeah, the shimmers I might get use out of. I don't know, like this would not be a standalone palette for me just because of how I do my makeup and what I feel comfortable in as in terms of looks. So I know this one is $69. I'm going to pause here for a second and then pull up all of the totals. So in total, I paid $170 for this with shipping because it was a $20 shipping charge on top of the $150. And I will say my box is over the $300, but let's go over each individual price and let me know if you think it was worth it or not. I'm going to go from lowest value to highest value. So first up, we have Good Molecules Hyaluronic Acid Serum. This was $6. So, you know, something I could replace and something that could become a staple, but good price point at least. The Kitsch scrunchies were $12 for the 2 scrunchies. So basically we got 3 items individually for $6 a piece. Then the next expensive item is the Wayne Goss lip gloss. This one, it retails for $22 in total. Antique Rose, like I said. I'm not going to swatch it because I don't want to contaminate a lip gloss that I won't get to for at least a year. Then we have the Pure Culture Serum. This one retails for $29. And I don't know if they actually send packaging when you normally order it or not. Who knows? My next item in here is the Charlotte Tilbury sticks. These retail for $35. Quite a bit for those sticks. Then the next expensive item in here is the R&Co shampoo and scalp scrub and shampoo. This guy retails for $38. Can you believe that? $38. I would never pay $38. Especially if this is just 3 ounce. Wow, I'm gonna really luxuriate in this and really enjoy the experience. I was gonna try to see if it has a scent to it. No, it kind of just smells like a semi-expensive shampoo, I guess. Nothing to write home about. Then we have, our next one is the Viseart face palette. This is a face palette. I found that out on the website. So let's swatch these shades. I like to have the protective thing on the mirror, but it just does not want to stay on this particular one. So I think there's like 2 blushes, and then I guess those are face. Wow, that was really powdery, that top one. These are also very light. If you were darker skinned than me and you got this box, I'm sorry. This would not work very well, I would say. Okay, I'm digging the shimmers a little bit more. Those seem to have more of a presence and pick up a little bit better. What is going on? I don't know if I have too much exposure because we're covered in snow everywhere, or if, there we go, that helps a little bit. I think I just had to turn my lights down because I have more light than usual. Then we'll do our last 2. You can't push into these with any force whatsoever. You're going to get some fallout. So interesting. They're all of them are pretty darn light. We'll see how they end up working. Back to the box, we have the Xenon palette. This retails for $69, like I thought. I'm not going to swatch all of these, but I'm going to swatch some of the shimmers that look really pretty, like that silver, this one that I said that I really liked. We'll do this one down here, maybe this more chunky one. We should probably do, this is a blue. Oh, so soft. I forgot how nice Natasha Denona shimmers are. I haven't worn one for a little bit. These seem like a lot of toppers. They're shiny. They're definitely shiny, but if you get up close, they're very light on the skin, but from a distance, they pack a punch. So, like I said, not necessarily a palette that I would wear on its own, but one that I could take shimmers from and use that way. That's how I'm going to get use out of it. Last item I had were the Sonia G brushes. I guess I don't need to keep all of the little plastic sleeves. And this set of brushes, so the 5 of these is called the Fusion Eye Set. And this retails for $145. Really crazy, like $145. So my grand total was $396 for the items in here. I feel like, yeah, that is a good value comparatively. But I'm also looking at this stuff going, really, this is $400 worth of makeup and skincare and stuff. Wow. I feel out of it in terms of makeup. I guess I've just been finding so many deals, like 50% off at Sephora or Ulta, or picking up things at TJ Maxx even. I feel kind of out of it because I look at this and I'm like, that does not feel like $400 worth of makeup. But maybe that's just me. Maybe it's because prices keep going up and up and up and up. Let me know down below. I'm not super excited about what I got. I'm not unhappy either. I feel like I will use a lot of this. I don't know what to do about the scrunchies. I got the towel scrunchies a couple years ago, and I love those things, and I've rebought those because they don't last very long in my hair, unfortunately. But I feel like most of the stuff in here, other than probably the eye sticks, I will get some use out of, and the scrunchies, like, I don't know. Let me know. How would you do something with them? I don't think they would fit over my bun because my bun is too big. That thing is just sticking around to everything. I think this would look really stupid, actually. Yeah. I mean, obviously with this one, it's even stupider, but I just don't do a lot of ponytails because my hair doesn't stay in a ponytail, like a high ponytail. Anyway, let me know down below. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for watching. I really, really, really appreciate it, and I hope you're having a fabulous day.